Claire, those conditions leading to that particularly dangerous situation warning from the National Weather Service because of some of the safety concerns that today poses.
Yes, especially around those foothills and mountains. It's probably not a best day to go up there. Now, what we're watching for is going to be a high fire danger for today. Highs in the 70s, which is way above average for what we've seen around December. We are going to see low relative humidity as well. Current temperatures right now are above average, 52 degrees for Denver, 58 degrees for Lakewood, Thornton at 56 degrees. Down in Highlands Ranch, you're seeing temperatures about 45 degrees. We're going to continue to see temperatures increase. Something else that's starting to increase is our wind gusts. Now over at the airport, before we started the show, they were at 9 miles per hour wind gusts. Now they're at 31 miles per hour wind gusts. Winds are really starting to move in from the west, making its way across most of our area. Now, when it comes to our relative humidity, around that 4:30 show, it was about 46%. Now it's at 26%. Relative humidity all means that there is moisture holding. The more the numbers drop, the less moisture is in the air, which when it's less moisture in the air, that's why the red flag warnings go into effect. We're going to see it start to happen around 10 a.m. Stick with us until midnight. We can see wind gusts up to about 60 miles per hour. Now, red flag warning, you need 3 ingredients: strong winds, which you're going to have today. Low relative humidity is already starting to drop, and then warm temperatures. We're going to see temperatures in the 70s. And now, when it comes to our high wind warning, the impacts can be down trees, power lines, widespread power outages. That's why some of these Excel company is starting to take out power due to the high wind. Gusts can go up to about 100 miles per hour. Now for our highs today, 60 degrees for Evergreen, 70 for Denver, 71 for Highlands Ranch. Down in Castle Rock at 66 degrees. Even across the eastern plains, they're going to see temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Now today in a nutshell, we're forecasting our high at 70 degrees. Our record high is 67. We could hit record or exceed it for today. Average is usually around 43 degrees. Now heading into the weekend, you are going to be seeing some cooler temperatures return back into our forecast, and also some showers as well. Saturday morning, we're expecting some showers, and then Sunday will be the first start of winter. Even though it doesn't feel like winter, we're going to start to see those temperatures drop a little bit. Allie, how's the roads looking?